Hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about 5 best personal loans with low interest in the USA. So stick around to the end, you might find your best option. Coming up at number 5, we have Reach Financial. This is best for consolidating debt fast. With the APRs ranging from 5.99% to 35.99%, we have the pros and cons we'd like to mention. With the pros, you have the funds available within 24 hours of loan approval. You also have access to free monthly credit score and some of the lowest starting rates on the market. As with any service, we have the cons, where loans can only be used for consolidating debt. And then they may charge you an upfront for origination fee, and you can't apply for a loan with another person. At number 4, we have Lightstream. This is best for big loans and no fees. It has APRs ranging from 6.94% to 25.29%. With the pros, you have no origination fees and you can borrow up to $100,000. This is in contrast with most lenders as they offer up to about $50,000. And also you have a loan experience guarantee. On the flip side, you also have checking rates that require a hard credit pull. You cannot use funds for education or business purposes. And you also must have a good or excellent credit to qualify. At number 3, we have Discover, which is best for excellent customer service and no upfront fees. It has APRs ranging from 7.99% to 24.99%. On the upside, it's a US-based loan specialist available 7 days a week. And the funds are available as soon as 1 business day after loan acceptance. And you have a repayment assistant option if you can't make payments. On the flip side, you can't apply for a loan with another person. You need to also have good or an excellent credit to qualify, and you can only borrow up to $40,000. Then we have Lending Point at number 2. Lending Point is best for fair credit, with APRs ranging from 7.99% to 35.99%. On the upside, you have offers of loans to borrowers with scores as low as 660. You also have funds available as soon as 1 business day after approval, and no fees for paying off loans early, which is a nice catch. On the other hand, you may be charged an origination fee, and you can't apply for a loan with another person. And if you're in Nevada or West Virginia, you cannot use this service. And our number 1 is Upstart, which is best for bad or no credit. APRs are ranging from 7.40% to 35.99%. With the pros, your low or no credit won't disqualify you. It also has funds available as soon as 1 business day and also consistently rated top 3 in customer satisfaction. On the flip side, you cannot take out a loan with another person and only 2 repayment terms to choose from 36 to 60 months. And you may also get a charge for an origination fee. So there you have it, the top 5 personal loans with a low interest rate in the USA. Each lender offers unique benefits and considerations, so be sure to choose the one that best fits your needs. So let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.